Okay, welcome to the Sandwich 200 V2. We're doing a current series of test prints. This one is a long rectangle. Let's get rid of that blobby bit. This one's a long rectangle. It is 150 millimeters long, 6 millimeters wide and 2 millimeters high. The Sandwich 200 version 2 is a folding, compact, portable 3D printer that can be stowed, and it's designed to be really fast and accurate as well. So we're doing, I think this is 450 millimeters a second travel speed when it gets up to speed. To cope with that, what we've done is a number of things. One is we've used a Flex 3 drive from Muttley 3D. We've got a triple lead screws, TR8 triple lead screws, dual 12mm rods. It's a bit splurgy, isn't it? The print bread is hinged. You can see on that orange there's a bearing there, but because of the five-way supports, it's rock solid. Also, what I've done is I've done triple springs on the thing, 1, 2, 3, but there are 2 extra screws on here which I've mounted with a, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Darn it, this camera's really not very good. There is a nut on the top there. Ah yes, you can see that nut there, which makes sure that these stay level and don't rotate. So this print plate, it doesn't move about. Exactly the same principle, basically. It was, holy shit, exactly the same principle as the drive screw, the lead screws and the rods. So they've got 2 rods which keep it from moving about there, and then the 3 lead screws keep it from going up and down. And not making it let it go sideways, because it won't go sideways because of the rods, and it won't go anywhere up and down. So it's the same principle with these. 1 to stop it rotate, the bed rotating, and the 3 screws fix it in position. So let's have a look. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Boring, boring, boring. Blah, blah. Whoa. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. Those acceleration levels don't sound very high, do they? Are we getting any zagging on the edges at those speeds? I can see a tiny bit. Visible. We'll see what happens when it gets up a bit faster. It does another couple of layers. That looks alright. That looks great. I think we can probably increase the acceleration values a bit more, actually. Try that on another print in a bit when we... Oh dear, we're almost out of that filament. There was just a spare bit of filament I had around. I might push another one in. You can do that with this. Means you can feed in filament whilst it's going. I might try that. I've got another bit around somewhere. Ha! Aha! Jason's the guy who designed this. He said you can do this. It's dropping another piece. Whoa! It's going to be tough to do while it's going this quick. But that seems to be alright. It's those fast bits that I was particularly concerned about, the fast travel. Yeah, that's alright on the edge there. Disadvantage of doing an object that's only 2 millimeters high. Whoa! Oh, it's done. It's finished. Okay. Well, I will take some photographs of that convinced, are you? But that looks alright. Ooh, it just got to the last bit of that filament before running out. Okay, thank you very much.